YouTube, how's it going? We're back at it with another video. Today we're going to be trying to get the total Mustang up and running. We did go ahead and buy it back from insurance. I won't release the full numbers here, but let's just say I got a very good deal. I have very good insurance. And so we're going to be well taken care of, and pretty much I already own the car. I've already signed the title and stuff like that. We're just waiting on the actual salvage title to come in the mail. They did go ahead and total it because of the frame damage. Just to get everything fixed up, we're gonna go with a tubular front end. I already went ahead and ordered all the parts. I got a fabricator that's gonna go ahead and help me out. We got a bunch of sponsors for the front end of the car. This car is going to be back up and running on the streets very soon. Now all I have to do is find somebody at the DMV who's willing to certify my car is rebuilt once it does have that tubular front end, which I'm sure isn't a big deal as long as everything lines up. And as long as all of the airbag lights and stuff are gone. I do have to replace one airbag, luckily. It's the one underneath the driver's seat here. Let me show you. I do have to go ahead and replace this airbag right down there. That's the only one that went off. Luckily, everything else inside is okay. The only problem that I think I'm gonna have is this fender right here, which is kind of butting into the door here. I don't want to ruin this door. The door is very expensive, but we got everything hooked up. We got the truck hooked up because the battery is dead on the car. I already went ahead and redid the ignition switch. I'm pretty sure you have to turn on the ignition for 10 seconds, turn it off, on, and that re-enables the fuel pump after a wreck. Basically, the fuel pump will cut off when there is a wreck detected or when there is an airbag that goes off, and that's so that you don't catch on fire and die. Alright, so I'm going to set up the camera down here just to kind of give an angle. I'm going to try to get the inside shot here. I also got a new tattoo. Tell me what you guys think. It is kind of peeling. It's like day 4. It's right, a black snake. Anyways, I think that was pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and try to start this up. We're going to see if it stays running, and here we go. I already redid all the sequences and stuff. There shouldn't be any leaks, but we're about to find out. Come on, bro. Sounds like the battery's dead, so I'm going to try to reconnect the wires. I don't think I connected them well enough, so here we go. Holy crap. Oh, it's raining a lot. I didn't want to get the camera wet. Bro, this thing stinks. Obviously, we're having some kind of fueling problem, but the aftermarket, gosh. Bro, it stinks so bad. My fire alarm is going to go off. Guaranteed. Guaranteed this fire alarm up there is going to go off. So, it doesn't sound like it sounds like we're misfiring, obviously, because we just don't have fuel. The only fuel we're getting is from my aftermarket fuel pump, not the high pressure fuel pump, which kind of regulates it at idle. So I have to figure out how to reset it, something like that, but there's a lot of stuff I'm gonna do before. Obviously it still kind of runs. I'm not getting any misfire codes or anything like that, so it seems to be doing pretty good. But first things first, we gotta take care of that front end, and then we can get it running. And I'm also dropping a tubular K-member on the motor, so the motor's gonna have to be pulled out anyways. So just the fact that I know that the car is running is good, and it's a good step towards getting this car back up on the road. Got a guy already for the front end of this car. We got a bunch of sponsors coming soon. I'm super excited to announce them. I'm super excited to make videos showing them off. YouTube, I'm gonna really focus on it this year. I really do enjoy YouTube and the longer style content, and I also spend a ridiculous amount of money on this camera, so hopefully you guys let me know what the quality of the video is compared to my other ones on the channel. I really would appreciate that. Sorry, I got my retainers in, so it's really hard to talk without a lisp, and I don't want to sound too stupid, you know? I no longer have a loan on this car. I've got 2 paid off vehicles here. One of them is running. The other one is supposed to be a race car now because it is a salvage title, so I really don't care too much. I mean, obviously I do. This is my dream car. It's my dream build, but I own it outright now. So my goal this year is to buy a house, get this car running down in the 8.9s, and then possibly upgrade the daily here. But it's been doing fine for 2 years. And just like good old Florida weather, it's absolutely pouring here, and I can't really do much work. So I had to go ahead and close the hood. I don't want anything to get fried underneath. I had to go ahead and put the battery cover back on and stuff like that. But the car's all locked up now. We're good to go. I think I should leave it unlocked though in case the battery dies. I will need a new battery, but I'm gonna go with the lightweight one to put it in the back. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate every single one of y'all and support. It's been absolutely insane lately with the support, seriously. So once again, thank you, peace out, and on to the next video.